Good afternoon. I'm going to show you a really quick video on how to use the middle school Ebsco search function. So to remind you how to get back to the library resources, you go to the graded website, click Library Catalog, which takes you to this landing page. Then you want to click Graded US Digital Library, which takes you here. You want to hover over online resources and now click Upper School, Middle School and High School. Now, this is where you want to be. Scroll down. This is where we saw global issues and context. Now we have Turnitin, Explora, and now Ebsco host Middle Search Plus. This is where we can start entering our more specific topic. So if you remember in class, I talked about following the trail of your research. And let's say my trail is leading me to ask, what are the effects of bullying? And then I want to click search. Okay, and it's going to bring up some options. Okay, this is kind of a more full search, and I'm going to click search. No results were found. What if I took out the what are the and try that? Ooh, this is helpful. Effects of bullying on children in school, on mental health, on academic performance. Look at all these awesome topics. Let me try actually academic performance. This is really interesting to me. So let me click search. Ooh, now I can look at a lot of different articles. So let's say I go to dealing with a bully. Okay, let's see. Here is my article down here. Oh, interesting. Where to turn? What can be done? What schools can do? Ooh, I like this. Okay. So let's say if you are using this and you're using your note taker, you will use there's my title, there are my authors, that's my source, and there's the original date. Okay, and it was an article originally. It looks like, I wonder if there's a citation info button. Let's see if there is on this one. Detailed record, HTML full text. No, so I would just write this down. If you're doing a manual citation in Noodle Tools, you would put this information in. It would be website database. We'll talk about that later. But you've got the article there, the article information. Okay, let's say, though, I want to try something else. Effects of bullying on. Preventing bullying. Ooh, wow, and promoting friendship for students with ASD. I don't know, these are lots of possible topics, so I can try these. So this is Middle Search Plus, which is going to give you articles that are a little more accessible for you and at a reading level that matches most middle school students. So that is another source that you can use. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was on how to use Middle Search Plus from Ebsco Host. Thanks, guys.